Today I'll be today I'll be rating alarm remixes. Okay, here's Canada's. 10 out of 10. I can't tell how much I love that alarm. USA. 1 out of 10. It's not the best. Germany. Germany, 10 out of 10. That's loud. Well, at least I have my volume down. Okay. Mexico, 10 out of 10. Okay, this is the sound they used. Wait, I think I saw it somewhere. I think I just saw it. I think I just saw it. So. The UK alarm. The United Kingdom. The Kingdom. Oh, wait. Poland. Negative 1,000 out of 10. Negative 1,000 out of 10. That literally scared me. Okay. Greek. Absolute infinity out of 10. India. Sounds like a computer battery dying. Japan earthquake warning type beat. 1 million out of 10. Poland. Poland. Polish. I can't tell the ring. It's too good. Four out of 10. 10 out of 10. Negative 1 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 1,000 out of 10. Out of 4. 32,000 out of 10. Funky beat. 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I like this. This kind of sounds like a loading. Oh my god. 1,000 out of 10.
Rating these alarms that are remixes.
Italy. 1 million out of 10. I can't tell how much I love this alarm. That's all I have.